Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 6th of December. The euro is weakening ahead of the European Central Bank rate decision due today at 12:45 GMT. The ECB is expected to leave its lending rate unchanged, and thus investors will closely monitor the press conference at 13:30 GMT, where President Draghi will answer a question on the troubled regions. On Tuesday, during the EU member states' ECOFIN meeting, the region's finance ministers appeared divided over how the European Bank's supervisory authority will work, and this threatens to challenge the implementation of one of Europe's biggest reforms. The Australian dollar spiked against the US dollar following the release of the improved unemployment rate, but soon started falling again on the back of the lower than expected gross domestic product figure released the day before. On Tuesday, after the decision by the Reserve Bank of Australia to lower their lending rate to 3% from 3.25%. The New Zealand dollar was strengthened overnight by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's decision to leave its lending rate unchanged at 2.5%. The British pound appears soft versus the US dollar as market participants anticipate the rate and asset purchasing decision by the Bank of England. And oil is falling against the US dollar, currently trading just below 88. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.15. The dollar-yen pivot points at 81.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.45. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.70. The dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9930 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9930. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 90.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 90.25. The gold pivot points at 1714 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1714. The silver pivot point at 33.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 33.10. The US 500 is at 1407 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1407. And the UK 100 is at 5902 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5880. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Switzerland, we have the consumer price index month on month in November forecast to remain flat. In Europe, we have the third quarter gross domestic product forecast to contract by 0.1%. In the UK, we have the interest rate decision forecast remain unchanged at 0.5%. And in the US, we have the initial jobless claims forecast at 380,000 new unemployment claims. And our interesting pair of the day is the silver dollar. We saw silver kept falling against the US dollar yesterday after it met considerable selling pressure when it rose to 33.25. The precious metal found support just above 32.50 level, and a break below that level is needed for lower lows to be recorded. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for the 6th of December. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.